You searched how to buy shares of Jeffs Brands Ltd. Jeffs Brands Ltd is a consumer goods company and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker JFBR. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice, so please do your own research. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and you will need to add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker JFBR to locate Jeffs Brands Ltd. Select the NASDAQ result that matches the company name to ensure you have the correct listing. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company profile and that the ticker JFBR matches Jeffs Brands Ltd. before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once the trade is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio view. Solve call to action. Follow the steps using the link in the description to replicate this process on eToro.